In order to start this process, you're going to need to download Bitmoji. So in your App Store or your Google Play Store, type in Bitmoji. It's this one right here. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open. I've already created my avatar. You can change the skin tone, the hairstyle. I would suggest that as you do this, you maybe look at a selfie just to make this look more and more like you. You can completely pick your outfit in this section, or you can design an outfit choosing pants, shoes, a top, and any outfit that you save or that you wear will be in this My Closet. I'm gonna hit save. Now I have all of these options. I can even search stickers. So if I want to put a picture with a dog, I can choose any of these stickers. I really like this meditation one. I chose this for another Bitmoji page that I did. I really like these. They're super cute. This little one's super cute. So you do have to make your Bitmoji on your phone. Once you've made your Bitmoji, you want to go to Google Chrome and you want to type in Bitmoji Chrome extension. I've already clicked on it. That's why mine's been highlighted. Over here, you should see add extension. I've already gotten the extension, so mine says remove from Chrome. So you'll know that you have it on your Google Chrome when it says remove from Chrome here. Up here at the top, you see that I already have the Bitmoji icon. You're not gonna have that immediately. You're gonna wanna click on this little puzzle piece and you'll see this push pin. You wanna click on the push pin and it will pin your Bitmoji to your taskbar. Once I click on this, it will prompt me to sign in. It'll take you to this page. You can either sign in using your email that you use to create your Bitmoji, or you can sign in using Snapchat. If you're on a school computer like I am, it might not let you sign in using Snapchat, so you will have to remember your email and password. So once you pin this to your taskbar, once you choose it, you'll be able to pick any icon that you like, any avatar that you like. You will need to right click onto whichever picture that you choose, and you can either save the image as, or you can copy the image. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to create your Bitmoji classroom. So I'm on the Google homepage. I am signed into my Google account. I'm gonna go ahead and find slides on this little Google Apps menu here. And when I get to slides, you can see I've already made some Bitmoji classrooms for my friends. And I'm gonna click blank. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this nonsense here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search for just a classroom background. You can search for a floor and create this from scratch. So I'm not sure how legal this is, but there's all kinds of different ones that nice teachers have already made. So I'm just gonna look for one that I'm okay with. This is the one that I used for my own classroom. There's all kinds of super cute ones. So I'm just going to save image. Okay, so then I'm gonna go to my Google Slides and I'm going to make this my background. I'm not going to insert this as an image. I'm gonna click on backgrounds and choose image. Had my mask on if you couldn't hear me. And then I'll click browse and I'll go ahead and find that picture that I saved. And hopefully it won't be blurry. And it is blurry, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose another one. It does take some playing around with. I'm gonna go ahead and insert my classroom in the background. This one's nice and clear, which is awesome. You could take this image and crop it in the pictures file and then put this in there so that you don't have so much ground. But I'm sure that you've seen a lot that have couches. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in remove background into my Google search bar. And I've been using this website here, remove.bg. A lot of teachers have been saying you have to look for a couch with no background or with the background already removed. Any of these couches could work, You could even look up cartoon couch. I'm gonna try some different couches and pull them into this remove backgrounds. As you can see, some of them you can't use. It's an invalid image. I'm sure it's because we're stealing the image. So as you can see, I've got this super cool couch and the background's been removed. That way the white in the background you won't see. I can just copy this and paste it into my Google Classroom. I can make it a little bigger. I kind of like the look of the real couch and then the cartoon Bitmoji. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Bitmoji app here, and I'm gonna type in sit so that there's my character sitting. You don't wanna pick the one on the toilet, but I'm gonna right click and copy and paste into my classroom. Play around with that. It doesn't need to be perfect. There she is. I like to put clickables on a shelf, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same type of thing here. I'm gonna look up case. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. I'm just going to find a bookcase that I like. I don't want one that's clear because I don't want to see this background. I want to cover up the background a little bit. And now that I have that, I can save the image, or I can just copy and paste. And I'm just gonna cover up this wall right here. Now on here you can do whatever you want. You can insert word art and type, you know, welcome to I don't really like the look of these in slides, so sometimes I do like to go ahead and open up just because the word art is better. You just want to open up a blank presentation and you can get rid of all this stuff. You can insert whatever word art you want, make it look pretty. I like in PowerPoint, this will condense it a little bit, and I can just go ahead and I should be able to copy this, Control C, and paste it into here. See how it's got this white background? I can also paste into my remove backgrounds, and it will in fact remove the white background from here, and I can copy and paste into my Bitmoji classroom. And of course you can change the colors around in PowerPoint, and then you can copy and paste into your remove.bg website, copy and paste from here, and pop it into your Bitmoji classroom. If I want an icon over here to click on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. I know that a lot of people use Springboard, so I'm just going to use this as an option. I'm going to open image in a new tab, just so I can see that it looks okay. And I can copy this image. I'm going to paste it into my PowerPoint. It just looks like a picture. I can make it stand out by going to Picture Tools and Format. And then there's all these different kinds of buttons, all kinds of different options. This makes it look like it's flat so that you could pick it up. I really like this option because it looks more like a book on a bookshelf. And save as a picture. And I'm just gonna type in Springboard. I'm going to upload an image. Let's pick that one. And it went ahead and took the foreground out. And then I can just copy into my your kids don't accidentally click on this piece. I'm gonna go ahead and crop the clear piece out of there. That way it's easier for them to choose that option. So I'm just gonna make that a little bit smaller. And it kind of looks like a little book on a bookshelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Springboard website. And now that I'm on the Springboard website, I'm just gonna come up here and copy this URL, Control C. And in my presentation here, I'm gonna make sure that this Springboard is highlighted. I'm going to insert a link, and I'm just going to paste that link to Springboard in here. So now I can hover over and click on Springboard, and it will open up a new tab. So this is still a work in progress. I do have some other Bitmoji pages that are finished. So this is my page that's already finished. As you can see, I have myself there. I did get this background off of Google. It was already put together. It already had the couch in there, the laptop, it had the bookshelf already done. Thank you to whoever made that in the online universe. My Harry Potter takes me to the Harry Potter page. My calculators take me to Desmos for scientific calculator, graphing calculator, and all these other different websites. These are all clickable items. Once you get to Canvas, you obviously want to log in. I'm going to do this in my sandbox just because it's easier. As you can see, I've already put mine in here with my buttons. My buttons aren't functional yet, but they will be soon. And as you can see, I can click and it'll take me to Desmos, or I can click on the Harry Potter and it'll take me to wizardingworld.com. I'm just gonna actually take this out and put it back in so you can see. So what you're gonna do, this could be completely blank and that's totally fine. You're going to insert media. If you insert this as a photo, upload image, your students won't be able to click on any type of hyperlinks that you posted. So you're going to upload or record media, and this has a drag and drop. You wanna go ahead and click embed. Now, back on this Google slide, you wanna click on file, publish to the web, and you wanna use this embed code. It might tell you to start publishing or something like that. Go ahead and click that. And you want to copy this entire embed code. I'm going to go back to Canvas. I'm going to paste Control V, that embed code, into Canvas. And I've got my Bitmoji classroom in there. When I save this, now once this is in here, I should be able to click on any item and it works. So that's a quick tutorial. Have a great day.